It's the 2019 Red Carpet Menu, our celebration of the Best Picture nominations for the Academy Awards. For Vice, we have kind of a little bit of a stretch, Ceviche. Vice was a fabulous movie. Christian Bale did such a great job. I really think the Best Actor Oscar is up for him or Rami Malek in Bohemian Rhapsody. The reason why I went with Ceviche is because there's a whole thing about Dick Cheney and his love of fishing, and they do this great scene where they juxtapose him catching a fish next to him getting a deal he wants. And I just thought that's perfect. This ceviche couldn't be easier, and the magic of putting this raw fish dish in your refrigerator and then coming back the next morning and seeing this perfection, it is unbelievable. It tastes fantastic, and using the sweet potato chips to balance the flavors, I'd say that was a little stroke of genius. Make it. It's fabulous. Enjoy and good luck to Vice. KitchAnnette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.